A Sanford employee in Sioux Falls has created something that may one day benefit the entire healthcare industry. Eric Thorstensen introduces us to Bobby Menzie, this week's Someone You Should Know.
Bobby Menzie spends a lot of his workday locked into a computer.
I'm the lead data scientist at Sanford. I've been here for 7 years.
The New Jersey native originally came to Sioux Falls to compete on the track and field team at USF.
Major in math with a secondary in education, and then I got my master's in operations research, which is just industrial math essentially. And the original plan was to teach and coach.
That plan changed as those math skills led him to Sanford.
So we try and make use of our data. Data is not just good for reporting, but there's also some insights that we can glean from it. So trying to pick apart the data and provide useful information for operations, finance, nursing, the patients.
Bobby created an algorithm that could be groundbreaking in the healthcare industry.
Really, it's a staffing and scheduling algorithm. What it really does is it takes a look at the volumes of patients or whatever the demand is, and tries to figure out what that supply we need. So in the case of staffing, if we know how many patients we're going to have in a department, we know how many nurses we need.
Bobby's worked with our operational leaders and helped create a tool that would help Sanford first, is typically how we develop things, and it has the potential to help a lot of other organizations.
The analytics are giving the exact numbers. It's not a guess anymore.
Now we have the data to support that, so we're able to say, okay, next month at 7 o'clock in the morning on this day, you're going to need 5 nurses. Then from there, we can provide additional insight on, okay, well, we can also automate your schedule using data. We can get nurses in the right spot at the right time, making sure that they're happy and working the shifts they want to work while we're still making sure all of our patients are cared for.
It took 1.5 years for Bobby and his team to create and implement that plan, and it's helped during a key time after a nursing staff shortage following the pandemic.
Been used now for almost 2 years in our hospital systems, and there's been some substantial impact in both cost savings, but then also staffing levels.
A guy behind the scenes making a healthcare system run more smoothly. In Sioux Falls, Eric Thorstensen, Dakota News Now.
Menzie presents his findings at conferences across the country. He will continue to use artificial intelligence to improve other aspects of healthcare. As always, if there's somebody you think we shall know about, please email us a nomination at news@dakotanewsnow.com.